Let's suppose you put a bet in terms of dollars into a game and you win with a return in dollars. If the return is the same as the dollar amount that you've put in your bet, then we might say that this is a fair game because you neither won and you neither lost. But if the return is bigger than the amount you put in, then we say you gained a positive amount. Now, on the other hand, if the return is smaller than the bet, then we say that your gain is going to be negative. In other words, the expected gain is fair if e to the x is equal to 0. We'll call the x to be will represent the gain of the player. If the bet is less than the return, then you'll expect a positive gain. If the bet is greater than the return, you'll expect a negative gain. So we can just write negative dollars. To get back to our particular problem, we have a roulette wheel that has 18 red numbers and 18 black numbers and 1 green number. The green number does not give you a return and neither do the black numbers. You lose your money. So if I place a bet $2 on the red, if our red is spun, then I will receive a $2 back plus another $2. Otherwise, I lose my money. So where's calculating the expected gain from this bet? So the number of possibilities that we can get is 18 red, 18 black, and 1 green. And that makes a total of 37. So 18 out of 37 I win, and 19 out of 37 I will lose. So the expected gain I would get will be the winning of the $2 and the loss of the $2. A winning of 97 cents and a loss of $1.03, which ends up being a loss of 6 cents. And this gives us an expected value, a negative value of 6 cents. So this is not a fair game. If I was to play this game 100 times, my expected loss would be around $6 loss.